Good morning. We've got another day full of adventures planned for today. Loads of exploring. We're going to try and find some waterfalls and
some beaches.
Yeah, some cool beaches and stuff. So hopefully it's a good day. This is a trek. If you struggle with asthma, definitely bring an inhaler. Oh, I can hear the waterfall. Ronan! Stop it! We found the first one. I think it's called Phang Noi. Is that right? Yeah. But no, it's quite small. But the walk up to this bit is beautiful. It's just like in the middle of the jungle. It's stunning. So we found the next one as well. There's not much water though because it's dry season, I think. I can't remember how to pronounce it.
Phang Noi.
Phang Noi?
Phang Noi.
So that is absolutely mad. We've just been sitting at the top of the waterfall in Thailand and we've just met two people who've got a holiday home in Playa Flamenca and they know a few of the same people as we do. It's just mad, what a small world. We made it. We're at the viewpoint and looking out, I actually can't believe we've walked this high up all through the jungle. It's actually a really hard walk. Like, the route isn't actually that hard. It's just the heat.
And some people are not fit enough.
I'm not fit enough. I was last year, but no.
Last year I wasn't, so this year I am.
Yeah. It's really hard because of how hot it is. We're both just sweating. But no, I'm proud of myself. We've made it to the top, so I'll show you what it looks like. Right, we've just got to the bottom and there's like a lovely natural pool. So we're thinking of going in for a dip. So we're just driving and saw a place for food and drinks. It looks really quirky, so we're going to check it out. was delicious, and it just feels like we've had lunch in the middle of the jungle somewhere. It's really nice. So we've just seen the signpost for Paradise Waterfall. I'm actually really surprised that a moped's made it up there because it was so steep and like the roads weren't level at all. So we're lucky we even got up here. Let's hope it's a nice waterfall. They actually have rubber rings in this one, so you can actually go floating around in one of those. This waterfall is beautiful. It's definitely my favourite one that we've been to so far because it actually has a pool at the bottom that you can swim in. It's just beautiful. It was a really hard walk to get here though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's all uphill.
Yeah, it like wasn't signposted at all, so you didn't actually know which way you were coming. So yeah, it was quite a dangerous walk, but it was worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we found Salad Beach. It was really hard to find, so let's hope it's worth it. Yeah, this looks like a lovely beach. It's really peaceful, very quiet, and there's no waves or anything. It's just so calm. Right, there's 2 more beaches that we want to try and see today, but we're not sure how it's going to go because the sun's already going down. But we're at Had Yao Beach now, I think. So yeah, we're just going to see what this one's like, and if it's just average, we'll probably just move straight on to the next one. So far it looks a bit dingy, but we could be surprised.
Is this the budget beach? Looks nice too.
It's not as bad as I thought, but it's not amazing. Down there looks like there's plenty of action going on, but I think we're going to move to the next one because it's just, we're not really feeling it. This beach must be really popular because there's so many mopeds and there's like nowhere to park, so yeah, there must be a lot of people here. Yeah, this beach is really cool. You can tell why it's so popular. It's absolutely packed, and you can smell like incense, can't you? And like there's people playing music and people doing yoga and stuff, so you can tell why it's so popular. It's lovely. That was so cool. I'm so glad we found that beach. Yeah, but like we're just gonna go back now and have a shower and get ready and then go out for some food, and we're probably gonna try and see what the nightlife's like a bit here tonight. I love my outfit tonight. Like I found a little Thai girl. So we just had a drive round and we found this place that looks quite nice to have some food.
Local food.
Local food. So we thought we'd check it out. It looks quite cool here, so hopefully the food's nice.
So the food over here is really good, and I've been paid by Millie to say the food is not as good as her cooking.
No you haven't.
I have. She's bribing me.
I've had a really good day today.
Yep.
Yeah, I've had a really good day.
Yeah, that beach is pretty cool. Is that beach?
Yeah, definitely. Are you enjoying it?
It's amazing.
So we came down to Hadrin tonight, which is where the full moon party was the other night. He's such a loud drinker. It's where the full moon party was the other night. It's pretty quiet around here tonight for a Saturday night, but nevertheless, we've had fun. We've had a few cocktails on the beach and just had a stroll up and down the beach. It was really nice. So yeah, we've got a lot more planned for tomorrow, so check it out.
Like and subscribe.